Now, hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily, and surprise, surprise, the sun is shining. So while the sun is shining, I decided to get the Morris out and we can have a look around and see where the rot is with the screwdriver of truth. So I'm going to spin you around and give you a better look at it. So, as you can see, there's plenty of dust on it. So what we're going to do is we are going to crack out the power washer. Now, it does come with some parts. As you can see, the pre-1960 cars came with a rod that goes in down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the screwdriver. I want to see how bad the boot floor is. So they're not okay, already I can see in here is gone. You can see it all up there. So what's it like this side? Okay, appears to be a lot of dirt in there, but other than that it seems to be fairly solid. The inner wings up here, they all seem to be fine. There, I don't know what that is there, but it seems to be alright. So, as I said about this back wing, I apologise to the owner of this car, but things like this have to be done. Yeah, there's your lovely clean wing nut. So you can see it's just all fillered. There's absolutely nothing left of that. Now hopefully what I can do is I can get another wing and I can cut it across there and let it in. So what we're going to do here is have a look up into the wheel arch. Now you look at it there again, look. Look at that. That's filler. So there's not a lot left of that. Oh, look. I don't know if you can catch that on camera. That inner wheel arch is toast. Now, have a look up there. The rest of it seems to be fine, so we might get away with a patch just there. Now, have a look at these doors closely. You can see all up there is all filler, and here. So it looks like somebody at some stage just slapped this car back together to get it on the road. So have a look in here. That all seems to be solid. Have a look at the sills. If I can get the right angle. Hopefully you can see okay. There we go, look. Up around the spring hangers. She's gone as well. Surprisingly, I thought that was gone there, but it's not. Spring hanger, or not the spring hanger, the jacking point, non-existent. Bottom of that door, non-existent, full of filler. Look, it's just peeling off. So the door that did look halfway decent, when you start poking at these old cars, they start revealing their truths. Now she's gone there. Screwdriver's gone straight through. Wait till I bring this around so you can see the front chassis leg. Now, hopefully with the sunshine you can see it. There's your chassis leg. There's a hole. And there's a piece of angle. Not even welded on. Just to hold it together. Now, the usual rot places on these are the front chassis legs. So let's see if I can get this to focus right. The sun isn't helping with filming this, surprisingly. As usually I give out about light. See it? So she's gone all there. The front cross member's gone as well. You can see it there. So hopefully I can get you at the right angle. Apologies for that. Now, she's gone all there. Front of that chassis leg is gone. Look at that. Hopefully you can pick that up. I find it hard to hold the camera and film me stopping holes in the car. Now, I'll bring you to have a look at the inner wings on the front. Oh, this inner wing is gone. Front section of the inner sill is gone. The arch is gone there. Now that's coming out of it anyway because that's all tucked in. Brake pipes will be changed. That chassis rail will be changed. So, let me take a look this side. Now you can see it's all gone here. All the bottom of that is gone, non-existent. Now the inners here are fine. As I said, that's been no, that's not been changed. That's going to have to be changed as well. It's gone there. You can see it's gone there. Look, nothing left of that there, or there, or there, or there, or there. It's all rotten. So that's all going to have to come out. So you have a look here again. This door's full of filler. That's scrap from there down. Now let me take a look at these. It's gone there. The floors in it are surprisingly solid, which is good. So that saves a bit of welding. So it's looking. So you take a look at the back door here. Same story again. You can see filler all there. Here now, this door seems to be the better of the two sides. Now again, this wing, that wing is okay. Actually sounds like a wing, which is good, and the inside of it doesn't look like it's too scabby. Now this side hasn't escaped the pinworm down here as usual. You can see the screwdriver's just gone straight through that, and again, and again. Inner arch seems to be fine. Take a look up around here because they're known to rot. Now, solid. That's not, that's filler. Here we go. Inner sill is gone. The back. Now, so what we're going to do now is we are going to give, I'm going to have to give this car a name. So now, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to give it a bit of a bath, and there's your wing. See how it comes up, see if we can get it to run and come up with a name. IC, maybe ICU, because that's where the car needs to be to get back into full health. So that was a quick walk around without checking the sill on that side, under the doors or anything like that. So I have a bit of work cut out for me, but it's another minor saved. Cue the montage.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down so.
Right, you might have seen me power wash the engine bay. If you're doing it, stay away from here, stay away from there, and stay away from there. The aim here was just to freshen it up a little bit and have a look. Get some of the heavy grease off it because it's not a hot wash. And what we're going to do now is we are going to stick a battery on it and we'll see what life it has, see if the wipers work, see what lights work, and see if we can get it to fire. Yeah, just there. Right, there's a sign of life. Right, attempt 2 with a different battery. Or attempt 3, should I say. So, bit of boom shakalaka. Brake cleaner, wherever you can find. Let's see what we can do. With a fire. Not running, but it's a fire. Tomorrow, the course was going to start. Slight bit of a blow on the exhaust. That is running beautifully. It's funny, I'm looking at that on camera and that fan appears to be running backwards, but it's not, it's running that way. And it's running a lot faster than what the camera's picking up. So, it runs. Let's see if it moves. that a success, wouldn't you? Doesn't stop, no brakes whatsoever, but it moves, and I think Connor gives it the thumbs up. So the last time this car was on the road was 2008. So that's a positive. Now let's get it back into the shed and let's get working on it. Hopefully my head's not cut off this time. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share it amongst your friends. This is the start of the build. Now, look at that. That still works. Let's see if the lights at the back work, will we? Yep,